Good morning. Welcome to Markets Now. I'm Michelle Rook. We are seeing some lower price action over on the livestock this morning, mixed and quiet in the grains ahead of the WASDE report. And because we have the WASDE out at 11 o'clock Central this morning, we're going to forego an analyst interview this morning. We will have an update for you, though, at about 11:30 Central this morning with Jim McCormick with agmarket.net. So expectations this morning in terms of the report are a slight increase in ending stocks on corn. Brazilian production on corn may be unchanged and down slightly in terms of the Argentina corn crop. And so the market's going to be squaring up ahead of that. Right now, we've got the old crop contract in corn slightly higher and new crop is slightly lower. Soybeans, kind of the same scenario. May contract is up a couple of cents. The November contract is in negative territory. Here again, we're not anticipating much of a change in domestic production. 221 is the estimated ending stocks figure for the report this morning on a domestic basis. Brazilian production looks like it's going to be fairly close to last month, but the big thing we're going to be watching is Argentina production. Average trade guess is about 36.6 million metric tons. A lot of the privates are well below that, but USDA probably not going to go down to that level here initially. Of course, yesterday we saw some profit taking in the soybean market. Corn kind of followed, and the outside markets were also a factor with Fed Chairman Jerome Powell making some hawkish comments to Congress that sent the stock market and crude oil market lower. The dollar index was over a point higher at one point, or a percentage higher. And so that weighed on the market yesterday. We're seeing a little bit quieter outside market trade as well. So that's helping maybe lead to a quiet trade here in the grains this morning. Wheat market is down about 2 to 5 cents. Yesterday, we got a little bump in HRW wheat with the deteriorating crop ratings, and it looks like maybe today we're seeing just a little bit of pressure in technical selling stepping back in here to the market. Over in the livestock futures, cattle market is trading a bit lower this morning. Yesterday, some profit taking and consolidation under the contract high areas, and we're seeing follow through selling as a result of that this morning. Awaiting cash trade for direction. And box beef was down about 227 on the choice yesterday, maybe a little bit of a factor there. Feeders again consolidating under new contract highs yesterday. And in the hog market, we're seeing some continued pressure. The number situation has just been overwhelming this market to some degree, or at least causing the market not to be able to get any traction, with slaughter numbers above where the hogs and pigs report said that we were going to be, or at least USDA did. Cutouts were also down 31 cents coming in, and the futures still at a premium to the cash index, especially in the back months. So that continues to kind of weigh on the futures here this morning as well. That is a look at your markets. I'm Michelle Rook with Markets Now.